What is up, everybody? Welcome back to another YouTube video. It is too cold outside. I am not recording the intro outside, but I am outside of one of the greatest discoveries of my wonderful media selling Amazon business. And maybe you guys will be, I'm not going to spoil it, maybe you guys will be able to tell what kind of place it is, because I am going to record a little bit of the inside, right? So we got a goal to this video. I usually don't do these types of things, but let's challenge ourselves. 100 items from this little store. Is it possible? I don't know, but I feel like it's a fair goal, because if I'm in here scanning enough, we should be able to find 100 items, right? No books in here. That's a hint. 0 books in this place. They don't have any books. They don't deal with smelling like old musty books. But I don't know. I'm not leaning left or right here whether or not we can get 100. I think it is possible. I think it is achievable from this one place to get 100 items. I haven't been here in a little bit over a month. So, I mean, it's not that long of a time for a restock, but it is Black Friday, right? Like, you guys are seeing this after Black Friday. But I'm going to assume a small shop like this probably restocked ahead of the crazy shopping day. If you're interested in making money from little places like this, making money selling on Amazon, join the YouTube channel, $2.99 a month. Weekly live Zoom calls. You can ask me any question you may have about starting, building, growing a Amazon media selling business. It's like a Black Friday special, but it's always $2.99, right? So I can't even be like, Black Friday blowout, $2.99. It's always $2.99. And we got the go-to lister lifetime discount if you're a member. You literally can make money off the membership if you use go-to lister. Anyways, I'm shutting up. We got the scanner. Maybe I should, I wonder, is anybody, I guess it's physically impossible to scan with your thumb because the button's on the side, but I feel like it'd be cool if I could just, you'd have to do 2 hands, and then that defeats the purpose of the scanner. I don't know. You guys are probably like, Mike, just shut the hell up and get in there and scan. I'll record my phone screen while I'm in there scanning some DVDs and CDs. I hate the cold weather. Let's go. We gotta get this stuff out the door. You guys can't see it here. I'll turn you real quick, but we got a box from the record store. So I have replaced basically all of my Goodwills with record stores and pawn shops, and it's been the smartest decision of my life. Now, I couldn't record a lot in there, so we'll throw some photos up as well so you can kind of see what it looks like on the inside. I didn't know Black Friday was like a certain record day, like it's a yearly thing where they release like limited edition albums. So I was completely unaware of how many people were going to be in that little place. And all my stuff was in the back, and that's where they had all the record day records and stuff. It wasn't as good as I thought it would be. I usually can dig underneath, but there were so many people, I didn't want to be a pain in the butt. But we did get a decent amount. I spent it right around $200. I will say this. You pay more, but the stuff has a higher sell-through. The profit isn't as high. And honestly, I'm okay with that. I've got my business to a point where I trade time no more. I'd rather trade money for time, right? So when you're starting out, you don't have the capital, you trade your time for money. I'm at the point where I'd rather go get the faster moving stuff and actually be able to continually sell through. Sure, I'm not making, you know, my ROI isn't as higher on some of these items, but the sell-through is quicker. Multiply your money, compound interest. That's the way the cookie crumbles. Let me get my screen recorded, and I'm just gonna grab some random stuff here. We got DVDs and CDs. First up, Pollyanna, brand new, sealed. Of course, my phone doesn't want to cooperate. This is the Walt Disney collection. 173 sales score. We did not pay the $12. Everything was on sale. I think we paid around $8 for this. So there's no new FBA. We'll probably price this like $40. We'll probably make closer to like $30, $34, maybe like $32 after fees. And you see that sales score? This will sell the day it gets checked in, the day I drop the box off at UPS. Left Behind, the DVD collection. $36 profit. We paid $15 after the sale, so we basically double our money. Another super fast mover. No prep needed, right? Brand new sealed. That is the stuff I want in my business going into 2025. Not so much the $2, $3 profit. Sure, I'll take those if it's a bulk buy or I'm out in a thrift store and I have the opportunity, but I'm gonna focus more on the higher dollar, faster moving items in 2025, and I think I will be able to get some decent results here. No used FBA, I paid $1 for this. Hot damn. Every time I die. We'll probably get around 10 bucks profit for that, we'll say. We paid $10 for this CD, Fetch. From music from the motion picture soundtrack. Brand new sealed. Fair value is 73 bucks. Let's go. We'll probably make like 50, 60 bucks on that. Hannah Montana, we paid 3 bucks for. Brand new sealed. We'll make 11. Chain Gang Volume 2, we paid $3 for. This is not sealed. The record shop puts some of their items in like little cellophane bags because they check everything, right? So another benefit of paying a little bit more on some of these faster moving used items is they make sure the discs are actually clean before they sell them. So we'll make about $10 profit on Chain Gang Volume 2. Jagged Edge Baby Making Project. We paid $3 for this. Make 13 bucks, so 10 after fees. Let's grab a Blu-ray. We paid $3 for this. This is 9. No idea. No new FBA, right? So we'll probably price this about 20 bucks. We make about $10 after fees. We'll make 7. Let's see, what else do we got here? The Rolling Stones. I think this was a cover scan, yeah. This was a slow mover. I paid 3 bucks for it, but Rolling Stones has a following. It'll eventually sell. I think it was selling for right around $24.99, maybe $30 at most. Final Fantasy Unlimited, we paid $3 for. You make 15, so 12 after fees. Brand new sealed, no prep needed. Casey and JoJo, we paid $3 for. No new FBA. The used offers are at $34 to $39. We'll probably price ours $39.99. There is no buy box currently. Always be wary of that. So we'll probably make about 20 bucks on a $3 purchase. Battlestar Galactica, we pay 3 bucks for. You make $11.70. They had a lot of soundtracks. I went right to the soundtrack. Toby Keith, I mean, come on now. You know, this is a dead giveaway. We paid 3 bucks. We make $16.80. Addams Family. No used FBA. We'll probably charge like $22.99, maybe even $24.99. We paid like $2 for this one, so we'll make probably 12, 13 bucks. Disturbing the Peace. East Side I-20. $8. We paid $1.50 for it. Hit you with another Blu-ray. $3. We paid For All Mankind. Slow mover here, right? But plenty of meat on this bone for 3 bucks. $31.30 profit. Probably going to be closer to 25 because I'm going to price down. I want this to actually sell. I don't care what it's currently listed at. So I'll probably price mine $36.99, be the lowest offer. Hopefully this will sell. Mr. Saka was the man. Just doesn't get any better. I love wrestling stuff. And for those of you that can't sell it, too bad. Join the membership, $2.99. I'll tell you how to get ungated. Other than that, you're beat. $3, Devil Blu-ray. I've sold this multiple times. I guess they didn't make a lot of copies of this. I don't know why, but $11.80 profit will make about $8 fast moving. I just love fast moving inventory. That's all I can say. The most wonderful time of the year. Mike, it's December. It's not going to get checked in. It's not going to sell. Well, then listen, just close up your business. Go away so I don't have to deal with your crying and whining. I'll send this in this week. My stuff's been getting checked in with like 3 days. So yeah, 18 bucks from $3. Can't beat it. And even if it's not Christmas, someone will buy this if the price is right. Nobody buys Christmas stuff if it's not Christmas, dude. My ass. Godzilla, we paid $8 for this. It's currently $116. We'll probably price it down to the $79.99. Make 60 bucks. After fees, will probably make 50. They had it priced at 10, but the sale got us to 8. I love Godzilla. Godzilla's made me so much money. I'm not like a huge fan of like the movies and everything, but yeah, can't beat it. I got a bunch more, but I'm not gonna sit here and show you guys. I did not get 100 items. I probably got closer to like 30, 40 items. So that's gonna do it for the video. I mean, we did decent. I didn't know it was record store day, whatever that means. Special limited edition records. Maybe I should have got there when they opened and flipped some of the record store day deals, but I don't chase bolos and nonsense like that. But hey, one box, sure, we spent close to $200. I mean, that's a lot of money. It's hard to spend that at a thrift store, but this is quality stuff. It's gonna sell quick. We get our money in, we get our money back out with a little bit on top. And that's gonna do it for the video. I appreciate you watching. Make sure to comment, like, and subscribe, and stay tuned for more used record shop videos. Bye-bye.